Construction workers are absolutely essential at a disaster site. With all of the disasters that I've been at in my career, it's very, very difficult for emergency forces like police officers, firefighters, and EMS to know the sophistication about building construction and know all of the things that need to be done. As an example, we're trained how to put out fires. We're not necessarily trained how to construct buildings or work with heavy rigging equipment or cranes. And in many cases, you need construction workers there to help you with those types of equipment because they're essential to doing rescue and recovery operations.